This week I was paired up with the kindergarten class again, and this is my third or second week with them now, so I think it's permanent. Um, and so we didn't talk about anything specific this week since we had our midterm and we were on fall break. So I kind of decided to talk about gender and like go back to that unit. And so we had an example of that would be on during recess on the playground. Um, One of the boys with behavioral problems got in trouble for hitting some girls and some boys, and he was kind of confused because the teachers, well, the um, the group leaders actually didn't really approach it as well as I thought they should. They kind of were only talking about how he hit the girls, and he didn't really care about the boys that he was like also hitting, um, even though it's both bad and he shouldn't do either of like hit boys or girls. But the group leaders were only kind of talking about how he was hitting the girls, and he was really confused at first. He knew he was getting in trouble for hitting the kids, but he was confused as to why he like hitting girls was worse than hitting the boys. And I kind of thought that was actually pretty cool that he saw girls and boys as like totally equal. And I think from a young age, we're kind of taught that like girls are fragile, pretty beings, and boys can play tough and like play in the mud and like stuff like that. I don't know. So I thought it was actually pretty cool to see that a kindergartner didn't think that way, and he thought boys and girls were equal. And it's not the situation that was great, obviously, because he shouldn't have been hitting anybody. But I just thought it was kind of interesting, especially because the teachers or the group leaders kind of approached it in a bad way. But he was able to understand that hitting both boys and girls is wrong. But yeah, it was kind of just, I guess, interesting to see that he didn't think, or that he thought boys and girls are completely equal, which I think is really cool.